Here comes Aris. A warm welcome, please, to Andre Iliana. Yes, sir. There he is. Someone give this guy a mic. All right. Thank you, Andre. We appreciate you. Your thoughts about this brand new offering mula sa Viva One? Ano bang pwede naming asahan?
Aasahan niyo po ang 100% namin buong cast dahil sobrang paghahandaan po namin.
Thank you. Well said, eloquently put. Ang presidente nga pala guys ng Section A. Give it up for Aris. Gagampanan po ito, none other than Andre Iliana. Get ready. Get ready, get ready. It's time to get excited. It's time to get psyched. Get ready to know more about the cool and sporty president ng Section C naman. Si Rocky, a round of applause to Miss Angela Muji. Everybody, big hand. Hi Angela. Baningin mo naman yung press natin.
Hello everyone, I'm Rocky, the class president of Section C. Nice to meet you everyone!
There you go, looking forward to seeing more of her. Not to be outdone, meet the soft-hearted and devoted lover, Mika, a true friend, always ready to give her heart. Let's welcome her to the stage right now. Will be played, of course, by none other than Rafa Victorino. Say hi to the fan.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Hi, I'm Rafa Victorino po. As Mika.
Presenting Rafa, all right, you guys, we appreciate that. And now bow down to the maldita at maarating Queen Bee ng Section A, Freya, to be played by Sarah Jo. Hi, Sarah. Want to say something?
Hello everyone, thank you so much for coming today. I am Sarah Jo, and I play the role of Freya Hidalgo, the Queen Bee.
Appreciate it. Thank you. Up next, President Muse, dating Section E na ngayon, parte na ng Section A, parte rin siya ng TV5 series na The First Family in the recent horror movie From Sines and Dap ang nanay, tatay. Of course, let's all meet Ella na gagampanan ni Heart Ryan. Hello. Heart, want to say something to the fans?
Hello everyone, nice to finally meet you guys. I hope we just have fun. Thank you.
Now we finally have a glimpse of our cast of characters. We can finally associate, should I say, some faces to the names. Diba, nabibigyan nila ng buhay. Oras na para picturean sila. Konting photo op naman po with the director and author. All right. All right, thank you guys. Andre and Hart, you can proceed backstage, but the rest can remain. Right, the rest can remain. Yeah, they can go there, right about there. I mean, yeah, that works too. Cool. Now that we've had a glimpse of some of them, some of the key characters from the series, alam ko naman, na-excited na kayong makilala pa ang ibang section and classmates natin. The Section E themselves. Am I right, ladies and gents? They're all outcasts, the rule breakers, should I say, at ang pinaka-wild and rowdy section, pinaka-buhay na buhay ang diwa na section all throughout this school. Kaya ito na nga, okay? So oras na para ipakilala ang Section E. Creepy at may sixth sense kung tawagin. Very in touch with the supernatural. May mga nakikita siyang hindi pangkaraniwan at di nakikita natin lahat. Meet the intriguing Josh to be played by Kyosu Ginto. Kyosu Ginto. Hi Kyosu. Let's stay there. Kyosu, say something to the fan.
Hello guys! Welcome po sa Viva Cafe and thank you po sa nagpunta po. Ako po si Joshua Benitez.
Love that. Okay, kinalangin na siya. Joshua Benitez, okay? Pakaabangan po and keep an eye out for him. I sure will. And of course, one with all the info and a knack for stirring things up. Let's all meet Rory, to be portrayed by AJ Perez. Woohoo! AJ! AJ! AJ, I greet the fans.
Hi, I'm Rory from Section E.
All right. So not to be outdone, the singer with a playful side, he's always ready with his pranks as well. Parte rin siya ng upcoming P-pop group to be launched by Viva soon. Say hello, the Blaster! Palakpakan si Derek Ong. Derek! Hi Derek, pagkakataon mo nang batiin sila.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Maganda po ba hapon nyo? Thank you.
There you go, there you have it. A few words from the cast members, right? Before we send them off into taping. Ang hacker at brainiac naman ng klase. Wow, brainy pala to. Na maraming digital tricks and of course, mga tics up his sleeves. To be played by Sam Show, please welcome Edrix.
Go Sam!
Woo! Woo! Hi Edrix. Sam Show friend there, Sam.
Kumusta po kayo lahat? Okay, okay lang po sila. Ako po si Sam Show, aka Edrix sa Section E ng Mutya. And happy to be here po. Thank you very much to each and every single one of you guys. And shout out to Viva. Shout out to Viva One.
Yes! Ito na talaga yun, guys. At we're so lucky, no? Kapanapanabik na we're seeing a first glimpse of them before this thing takes off and pops off like a rocket ship into the stratosphere. Sabay-sabay natin dadaling yan dyan. Isa magiging matagumpay na naman tong series under the Viva banner. So please pakaabangan ang mga faces nila. Now it's time for the photo op, you guys. Okay. Guys, lastly but not to be outdone, syempre hahabol ang ultimate risk taker, mapa-thrill or sugalan. Here comes Drew. Let's give it up for Yan Yan de Jesus. Hi Yan Yan. Greet the fan.
Hi, I'm Yan Jesus and I'm playing as the role of Andrew Contique Mercado. Ready ng mangutang!
Pakiramdam ko galing siya sa sugalan eh. Kaya medyo belated yung labas niya. Ay nako, ang inaatupag ng Section E! Brimming and filled with personality talaga. I'm sure sabihin na tayo makilala sila. So isa pa nga photo op dyan. Yeah. Alright, thanks. So this batch, please, you can head right here, stay on stage, right this way though. Dito na dito. Right here. Stay on stage though. Yan, dito lang tayo. Thank you guys. Wow, I feel like one of the boys already. One of Section B. Intindi naman nun, intindi naman nun. Thank you for the warm welcome, you guys. Nako, pakakaabangan talaga natin yan. Susunod naman, of course, the Joker and Romantic. Meet the very pilyong lover boy, Aaron. Part of Viva's upcoming P-pop group. A round of applause for Michael Keith. Michael. Oh my God. Michael with the pizzazz and the bling, with the drip. Say hello to them.
What's up, everyone? Thank you so much for coming. Once again, my name is Michael Keith, and I'm Aaron Zaluda.
Yes, sir. That's Michael Keith right there. Okay? Sasamahan siya ni Mayo. na may sikretong malupit. Sino kaya ito? To be played by Daniel Ong. Please say hello to him. Hi Daniel. Say hi to the fans.
Hi everyone, I'm Daniel Ong, playing as Mayo Ramos. Nice to meet you all.
Mayo Ramos, nice to meet you. With a smile that can light up the room, he is a friend to all. Meet the mischievous kid. Round of applause for Nick Galvez. Nick Galvez.
Hi guys, I'm Nick Galvez. I'm playing Kit Harington.
Let's hear it for this guy. Love that. Ang dependable secretary and culinary whiz of Section E. Say hello naman to Eman, the chef with a heart. Yun naman pala with, of course, Kurt De Los Reyes gracing us right now. Hey Kurt.
Hello everyone, ako po si Kurt De Los Reyes at ako ang inyong magiging Superman Eman Andrada.
Yes!
Superman. Love that. Okay. Siya naman ang klase niyong hardworking with big responsibilities. Here's Denzel. Give it up for Martin Venegas.
So, good day everyone. Ako po si Martin Venegas and I play as Denzel Castillo.
Pwede ba magpa-picture? Photo op naman tayo dyan, you guys. Alright. Time to take a photo. Okay, you can proceed that way, you guys. Salamat. Proceed that way. Better stay on stage, just the same. Love that. Are you guys ready for more? Are you still with us? Section E, magbunye, magingay. Nasa na yung ligalik natin? Ay nako, ano ba't nasa Viva Cafe tayo if we're not gonna live up to the excitement of this all? Hep hep? Hep hep? Alright? Section? May mga nagsabi Section D, kayo talaga, mga pilyo kayo. Section E. Siyempre guys, Section E ang pinagdiriwang po natin for today, alright? I expect no other answers than that. Up next, former Playboy turned loyal friend, meet the one and only Calix, a member of the upcoming P-pop group to be launched by Viva soon. Give it up for Ethan David.
Hi everyone, I'm Ethan David and I'll be playing the role of Calix Rivera. Hi everyone! Kamusta po kayo? Sambon. Thank you.
So that's Ambon. Putting you on the spot right there. Ang basketballistang foodie naman ng Section E, playing Felix. 3 points naman dyan for Keegan De Jesus.
Hello everyone, I'm Keegan De Jesus. I'm portraying John Felix Collins.
O yan guys, abangan. Siya naman ang calm at mature decision maker ng klase. Meet the responsible David. Parte rin siya ng success ng The Rain in España. Let's all welcome please Mr. Frost Sandoval. Frost, dito lang Frost. Maghunos dili ka naman.
Hello everyone, thank you all so much for waiting. Ako po si Frost Sandoval, playing the character of David Brazelton. Thank you boss.
Next up, ang genius ng Section E. Meet the very makulit na si CN. Parati siyang nakikita, syempre, sa maraming Viva projects at parte rin ng upcoming P-pop group to be launched by Viva. And it stars, of course, in the first season of the miniseries VAA presents He Loves Me Not, together with Miss Zia Viger. Cheers for Charles Law. Hinilo nyo naman ang gusto. Grabe naman yun. Are you still with us? Are you okay?
Buti nga, di ako nauntok eh. Kaya pangalawa po sa inyong lahat, my name is Charles La, and ako po si Cian. Okay?
Cian for us. Love that. Let's hear it for these guys, okay? Give them a round of applause. At may pa-quick photo op din. Get enough of them, please do subscribe to Viva One and please do join us there. Every subscription matters. Everyone counts. Of course, more eyeballs, the better. So join us there. Maski ako napapalundag na rin. Iba kasi yung pag-indayong nila at pagsayaw na nakakatuwa. Yung pagtaguntong ng stage, nararamdaman talaga natin. And now, kilalanin naman natin ang favorite nyong red-haired Japinoy, the secretive yet charming good boy that's hard to resist. Everybody, a huge round of applause for Yuri, to be portrayed by Rabin Angeles.
Oh my God! That was it!
Hello po, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Ako nga po pala si Rabin Angeles, gaganap as Yuri Hanamichi.
Please stay right here for a quick photo op. Pagkakataon nyo ng picturean siya, guys. Let's go. The very photogenic Mr. Rabin. Alright, thanks. Sige, makakasama mo na yung friends mo dito sa kanang bahagi. Sa bandang kanan. Hindi naman yan. Pwede ba makisali dyan? Sorry na. Ang dami ko na binyagan ng sapatos. Grabe. Sorry about that. Ayun, alam niyo. Ay, dito sa kabila naman tayo. Ayan. So, 1, 2, 3, oh! Ay, wala. Talo kayo, guys. Paano ba yan? Hindi. Pantay lang yun. Grabe, ang galing. So marami tayong makakaabangan. Brimming with energy ang cast natin for today. So that's Rabin out of the way. Ngayon naman, are you ready to meet our palaban at maaasahang mutya with a mind of her own? Ayan siya, ang yayanig sa magulong mundo ng Section E. Let's all welcome JJ, brought to life by Ashtyne Olviga.
Hello po, good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Ashtyne Olviga at ako po ang gaganap na JJ. Hello po!
Picture time. Photo up tayo dyan sa gitna ng stage. Hi, Ashtyne.
Yes, I give you that.
Thank you, that will do. Okay, makakasama niyo na yung friends niyo dito. Pwede naman. At ang pinaka-inaabangan natin, brace yourselves for the President of Section E. Here comes Mr. Sungit, the infamous troublemaker and the ultimate hari ng mga ulubong. Meet Kiefer. Give it up for the one, the only, Andres Mula. Kiefer. Hi, Andres. Right this way, Andres. Say hello to them.
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Hello. Basta kayo. Unang-una, maraming salamat sa mga lahat for being here today. It means a lot. And ako po si Andres Mula ulit, and I'm gonna be playing Mark Kiefer Watson.
Mark Kiefer Watson, everybody. Now is your time. Para picturean siya. Quick photo op. Center stage. Do subscribe to Viva One to see all the latest happenings and do follow us wherever social media exists. Alright. Meet Kiefer, everybody. Thanks. That'll do. Alright, you can join your friends here. Siyempre naman, we can't let this moment pass. we really can't let this moment pass without a special shout out. Last Tuesday, Andres celebrated his birthday. How old are you?
23 po, 23.
How does it feel?
It feels different talaga. Just happy. Another year. A lot of blessings po. So thank you guys for the birthday greetings.
Tapos may sasalubong kang bagong project, diba? Happy birthday naman tayo!
Happy birthday!
Love that! Galing naman magsikanta ng mga yan. May pa-cake! May pa-cake pa tayo. That's for you. That's for you, that's for you. Pahingi naman ang cake. Right, let's take a quick photo, diba? To capture this moment, you guys. Come on. Picture, picture. Yan, dapat na natin yung cake. Everybody, yeah. Center stage, please, for a quick photo op with the birthday boy. Quick photo op. Please do subscribe to Viva What for all the latest Viva projects are there. Nagkikintay para sa inyo for your consumption and viewing. You'll be seeing these people real soon as well. Please join Direk and our author as well, Ms. Lara. Three, two, one. Snap a pic. Isa pa po. In 3, 2, 1, happy birthday! Napaka-masunurin naman ang section na to. Birthday! Thank you for that. Okay.